You guys, so I ordered one of my It Girl tank tops from my own merch shop. It's not open. I wanted to do like a live reaction, so let's go ahead and open it. I am so excited. I'm trying to be careful not to show the back of the package because my address is on it. Okay, okay, there's nothing else in here. I love it. I am so obsessed. What size is this? This is a medium. Okay, I probably made a mistake because they're gender neutral sizes, so I probably should have gotten a small, but I got a medium. So honestly, I plan on cropping it anyway, so let me try it on. What's embarrassing is that I thought this was going to be way too big, and it actually like fits me pretty decently because I need to lose this 30 pounds that I have not lost yet. That's my first quarter 2024 goals, is to start seeing some progress. But anyway, so this is what it looks like when I stand up. So it is a long tank top as well if you guys like longer tanks. I actually am going to crop this, but I don't want it to be like a blunt crop. I think I'm gonna cut it and then sew maybe like an elastic band to give it kind of like the little cropped but still kind of like roomy effect. Hopefully I'm making some sort of sense. I'm actually probably gonna crop it like here. Yeah, I feel like that'll be super cute. What do you guys think? Is it a hit or was it a miss? I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in my description. I'm so sorry I'm not famous enough to put it in my bio, but make sure you guys go check out my merch shop.